Okay, brother, I'm very happy to meet you all. So today we are visiting the social education campaign. So from a commerce department, what things are you bringing for the people?
So, first I would like to introduce ourselves. So, we are from Difu Government College, Commerce Department and Commerce Society. So, we are promoting rural entrepreneurship.
Okay.
So, actually, nowadays the government job are not available, right? So, we are promoting, encouraging the students to utilize the natural resources, and then they can so that they can create their own job, and they can use these handicrafts. So we are selling this namkeen, bottle paints, and this crocheting stuffs. Okay, so we are selling these stuffs. So we are motivating our students that they can create their own jobs and they can give their jobs to everyone else. That's it.
Then how do you feel?
I feel very proud and motivated, and we are also motivating other students who wants to create their own jobs, and who are interested in doing such business like ours. I'm very thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. So I want to ask you,
Yes.
brother.
Yes.
And in this 50 KYF,
Yes.
you came here
Yes.
from our college.
Yes.
So how do you feel?
I feel very delightful to represent my department over here as we are representing this entrepreneurial awareness among everyone. All of these items which we are seeing here, almost all of are prepared by only student. Even these dolls, even these bees, all are handcrafted by one of our students. You can see all these dolls, these rose beans, and all.
Okay. And then how do you feel in this 50 KYF?
I'm feeling very proud and delightful to stand here. That it is a golden jubilee, right?
Yeah.
Yes. That's right.
So thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sister, you came here in a 50 Carbiate festival. Then how do you feel then from your department, from the government college you came, I guess. So how do you feel then? What things you are doing here?
I am very happy to represent my department from Difu Gov College. So, my name is Rishita Singha. I have made two models. One model is our Pythagorean model and our second model is 3D screen model. Our Pythagoras model explains our Pythagoras theorem. It is used in many applications. One application I can tell is we can use to find the height of the tower. We know already that in our monitors and TV screens, we know that the hypotenuse we know, but no one knows what is the hypotenuse. Actually, we know 32 inches TV, right? That 32 inches TV is already the hypotenuse of right angle triangle only. So no one knows that, but it is actually the diagonal side only. So by Pythagoras theorem only we got to know that it is the application of our Pythagoras theorem. And our second model is 3D screen model. You get to see 3D images there. But in our mathematical language, we say them as fractals. Fractals are geometrical shape of any identical and any shape. It can be shapes. It can be respiratory organs. It can be many natural things, snowflakes and all. I can show you some 3D images there, and you'll be enlightened to see them.
Then how do you feel?
I am very happy to represent my department from our college. Thank you.
Oh, ma'am, Kardom.
Cardom.
So we came here, education department. So we saw here that college. We saw many different structure, again many different things, but we could not know what it is. So could you tell me and tell to the public about this?
So here we are showing hemodialysis. So hemodialysis is a procedure when a person when there is a kidney failure in any person or any individual. So the doctor usually suggests to do this procedure, that is hemodialysis. So in hemodialysis we use artificial kidney, that is dialyzer, to filter our blood. So we are just giving a brief view about this hemodialysis. What exactly hemodialysis is to our public.
Then,
Or to our viewers or visitors.
then what things are here?
So there is a special message. So I will not tell you the secret about that message, but you can try. Okay, and then this is hemodialysis. So here we made hologram This is Tesla coil, then DNA structure and the structure of carbon.
Okay. Then I want to know, again, the public want to know about the DNA because DNA is the very important things, you know. So, could you
So here we have made the structure of DNA, how exactly the DNA looks. So most of the people don't know actually what is DNA. So we just want to give them an overview of DNA, that DNA exactly looks like this. And it is the main thing which carries all the information of our body.
then how do you feel in this 50 KYF?
Oh, we are lucky that we got a chance to show our model, and I'm feeling very blessed actually that we got the chance to be a part of this 50th celebration of Garbi Youth Festival.
Then from your college, how many participants here?
Oh, there are many. Yeah, maybe more than 50, I guess. Actually, all of them are participants. We have divided the duty schedules. Today me and Love sir got the chance to be to show our model. The same way we change participants day by day.
Then name your good name.
Pavitra Singh.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Now we are visiting this chemistry department, the Department of Chemistry. So we would like to ask our brothers who is coming from chemistry department from Difu Government College. So brother, what is your name?
My name is Manindra Sinha. I am from Difu Gov College, Chemistry Department and 5th SEM.
Gibson.
Yes.
So what things are you bringing here for exhibition?
Oh, from Chemistry Department we have made a model on acid rain. We want to show, what is acid rain, what are the effects of acid rain and how can we prevent acid rain. So this is our model.
Then what is the benefit for our society?
Okay. So first let us know what is acid rain. Acid rain is any rain that is, contains some acidic components like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide, which then react with water and then fall as rain. Okay. So acid rain harms us in many ways. Like first of all, it damages our monuments like Taj Mahal, then India Gate and various other monuments which are made up of marbles. It reacts with calcium chloride and damage the upper layer of our monuments. Secondly, it damages our vegetation also. It washes our nutrients. When it falls as rain, it washes our nutrients, and for fisheries also, it makes the medium acidic. So then fish cannot live in that medium. So it is harmful for fish also. And for humans, those who suffer from asthma, they cannot breathe properly due to acid rain. Due to the acid present in the air because of the rain. So how can we prevent it? We can prevent it by bringing some regulations like fitting filters in the chemical factories or various factories, filters like catalytic filters which absorbs this one sodium. My mistake. Sulfur oxide. This one absorbs it and then we can decompose it in a safe place. And for vehicles, we can use ethanol blending fuel, then green fuel and hydrogen fuel, which are less harmful to our nature. We cannot completely eradicate acid rain because it will be we are heading towards the industrial revolution, so we cannot completely eradicate it, but we can control it. So our motive is to aware people about acid rain. Thank you so much.
Okay, then how do you feel you are coming here?
Yes.
From the part of social education,
Yeah.
and how do you feel you are attending here in the Tarawalangsa?
It is a very great opportunity to learn new things, and Difu Gov College showing various departments, zoology, botany, chemistry. It is a good opportunity for everyone to learn, to show for cultural also various culture we can see. It is very good.
Then how many colleges is representing here?
From Difu, I think Gov College only, and there are various schools. Inside there are various schools. I don't know the name exactly. So from college only Gov College, and in Assam University is also there, I guess.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.